So you can see that the music is blasting pretty loud inside the car. The door is not vibrating, finally. No vibrating sound. Now, the test for people saying we have, remember I also have some stuff inside the door, but if I was to close the door, like you hear the normal hollow sounds now, as you can see, the car door closes as it should. So again, what I did is, instead of between the actual metal door panel, which is right here on the inside of the car, I put in some kind of an MDF board. I'm not sure if it's actually an MDF board or not. I just cut two thin slices, probably I would say this big. It's about 5 millimeters, and I stuck them in between the protection bar and the actual door panel. Now the cause, to many of you wondering, what is the whole cause behind the hollow doors? Well, the whole problem is that I noticed there was already, they put some kind of a sealant between the metal frame and between the metal frame and the actual door metal right here, and the sealant was okay for some time, but when it gets cold or hot, temperature changes and all of this, it kind of starts falling apart. So whenever I just looked inside, the sealant was to the sides of the protection frame and the actual door panel, but it was not on the actual frame itself, which at first was kind of separating them, but eventually it, I guess, melted down, or the extreme heat of the black color of the car could have been the cause, and it just became essentially hollow. And whenever the music plays, the door will always vibrate, and when the door vibrates, or when you close the door, the metal on the door comes with slight contact with the metal on the frame. And even when it doesn't come with a slight contact, you hear kind of a hollow sound, because it seems like it's just floating up there. That's why you hear the sound itself when you slam the door. But right now it's perfectly fine. So once again, I stuck about 3 or 4 kind of styrofoam MDF board pieces between the door panel and the door itself. Now, if I would look, if you looked, let's turn on the ignition here. Let's see, ignition on. It does not interfere with the workability of the window. So yeah, this is it, guys. Hopefully this solves some of your problems. I know it did solve mine, so yeah.